Hi guys, welcome to our channel Absolute Roadie. I'm Karan and you can also call me as Prince. Today I'm here to talk about a product which I've been using it for many months now, in fact for more than 2 years now, and I thought it's a good time to do a review as well. The product I'm talking about is a wireless communicator device which is called PackTalk by Scala Rider. You know, like I said, I've been using it for more than 2 years and the product has performed exceedingly well. No issues, no complaints whatsoever in last 2 years that I've used it. And it's not just me, but my fellow riders as well who have used it, and no issues or no complaints with either of them as well. And I can say that on their behalf on my channel. And now, the reason which also made me do this video is because at that time when a new product is launched, we all know social media accounts get bombarded with lot many promotional videos, which is good, which is fantastic, because we learn about the features, we learn about the applications, the new add-on features to it. But at the same time, what matters most is how the product performs, over a period of time. And today, after using it for more than 2 years, I can very comfortably recommend this product for anyone, and they can buy it with full confidence. The product is going to perform very well. This is how the packet looked. I don't know why I still kept the packing with me for 2 years, but I guess it's helping me now in making this video. And this is how the product came. This was the packing, and when I looked at it and when I took out the product, it looked like a box of a luxurious watch rather, instead of a communicator device. So it's very well packed. This is how it looked, and we all love the magnetic devices, magnetic closing boxes. It's nice, pretty strong. This is how it came. Nice branding as well over here on the top as well. I'm not sure if this pack continues now or not, but this is how it looked. And this is where the PackTalk unit was placed. Now this is mine, and this is the one which I've been using it for 2 years. It was a duo pack, so there was an additional unit over here as well. And the unit comes in with all the accessories which you will require to install it in your helmet, which will include your headphones, your microphone, your wiring, your 3M tapes, and Velcro. So it has everything you need to install. In fact, it will help you install it in a full face helmet or even in an open face helmet. So it has got those mufflers as well, which will help you in that. That's my unit. You would see some scratches as well, so it's taken a toll over time, but it's performed exceedingly well. No issues whatsoever with the battery life or anything for that matter. You just charge it, and it's on, it's working fine. All that you need to do is to keep upgrading it with the firmware which come up. You will get notified over email. And it's got a fantastic application. It's got a fantastic interconnectivity with that application. You can do a lot of things. You can add radio channels, you can change the quality of sound, the audio levels. So there are many things you can do. For those who are new to it or those who don't know about it, a wireless communicator, just to let everyone know, is a device which will help you connect with another rider while you're riding. So you install a device on your helmet and a similar device or a same device on the fellow rider's helmet, and you plug and play and you start talking. So it's as simple as that. Now, since I've used it for 2 years, it has given me no problem, so I can easily recommend it to anyone. The unit helps you connect with almost 15 riders over a distance of 1.5 kilometers, which is phenomenal. It uses a technology which we call as mesh technology. They call it DMC, dynamic, I think they call it dynamic meshwork communications. That's what they call it, DMC. So that's amazing, and the audio quality is perfect. It's as good as at times you're talking to someone over a phone. All that you need to take care of is that your mic is well placed. It has got a muffler on it, and so that it reduces the wind noise. Otherwise, it's crisp clear. In fact, if you're listening to songs while you want to speak to someone, the volume of the song would go down, and you can start talking, and you can interact with your own group. You can create groups on the app. You can add and remove someone from the group. At the same time, if you're talking to someone in a group of say 5 or 6 people, you can switch to one-to-one communication as well, so that the other riders don't hear what you're talking. So that's the best part about it. Though honestly, I have not been in a group where we have used it with over 15 riders, but definitely 6 to 7 riders, week on week, on every week ride for last so many months, so many years, we have done that, and it's performed exceedingly well. So my recommendation is, if you are looking to buy one wireless communicator device, then this should definitely be in your final list of the ones which you're going to select from. In fact, you can just buy this. No need to think much about it. That's one. At the same time, I have also, I won't say, I never had a need to upgrade my device, either within the Scala family or to even look to switch to some other brand. That's never been the case. It has been performing very well. But I have added on some accessories to it. For example, one of them is the JBL speakers, which I've added to it. Now, these are the 45 speakers, and they will help you give some amazing sound. They will boost the bass noise of the song, and you'll enjoy the music while you're riding, because if you're a long distance rider, then you need to listen to a lot of music as well and talk to people instead of getting bored just sitting on bike. At the same time, I have also purchased the cradle. So if you are someone who uses multiple helmets, you just install these cradles, and the cradle also comes with the entire set of microphones and speakers and 3M tapes and mufflers to help you install it. And you can just plug and play. You just take out your unit from one helmet and attach to the other helmet which you want to use it. Now I ride on a daily basis, so I use an open face helmet for my daily ride to work or back, and when I'm going for a long distance ride, then I'm back to a full face helmet. So I just need to switch this from one helmet to the other. So that's it, guys. You can definitely rely on this gadget. It's been used, and I'm talking after a period of 2 years about this device. So it's got a lot of performance backing it up as well. All right, guys, stay connected, stay safe, ride safe, and see you at Absolute Roadie again.